good morning once again from beautiful Las Terrenas. I'm Stephen Hattie from GoDominicanLife.com right here, in beautiful Las Terrenas. Please pardon me for the squinting because the sun is blasting. Beautiful day today. And what we're going to show you is a brand spanking new 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-level home. 90% complete. We're only missing a few bathroom fixtures and the kitchen install. Other than that, it's good to go. So let's go have a look at it. So please don't hesitate to contact us if you want to check it out in person. I hope you like the video and the pictures. But yeah, always best to see it in person. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, send us a note, ask us some questions. It's our pleasure to help you.